Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching my channel English Online Coaching. Today I want to talk about a very common problem that every English learner faces. We get stuck while speaking English. We know the words, we know the grammar, but when we try to speak, our mind just goes blank. We can't find the right word and we stop. This moment makes us feel nervous and weak. But don't worry, you are not alone. It happens to almost everyone. Let's understand why this happens. When you try to English speak, your brain first thinks in your mother tongue, maybe Hindi, and then start translating into English. This translation takes time. By the time you find the right words, you lose confidence, your brain freezes, and you stop speaking. That's why you feel stuck. So the real problem is not your English, the real problem is your habit of translating. To become fluent, you have to stop translating and start thinking in English. But how can do that? Let's talk about it. Start small, begin with simple daily sentences. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making tea, and I'm getting ready for work. When you start doing this daily, your brain slowly gets used to English thinking. At first, it will feel difficult. You will take time, but after some days, your mind will automatically form sentences in English, and one day you will realize that you are speaking without translating. That is the real fluency. Fluency does not mean speaking fast or using big words. Fluency means expressing yourself